Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Trust Wallet from Uniswap. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. You can easily disconnect Uniswap that is connected to your Trust Wallet by following a simple steps. Tap open your Trust Wallet application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the main home page, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on Wallet Connect right under Price Alert. You'll be able to see your wallet connected with Uniswap interface. Tap it on and right where you can see this kind of an interface, tap the disconnect button and you'll be able to disconnect Trust Wallet from Uniswap. That was quite easy, wasn't it? That is how you can easily disconnect Trust Wallet from Uniswap with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.